All practice pages and other materials for learning cursive are available at my Teachers Pay Teachers store at www.teacherspayteachers.com/store/Ann-Fosnight. Learning Cursive, Lesson 44, Capital T. When we compare a printed capital T to a cursive capital T, we can notice they both do have a top on them. We can notice the good curve on the capital T, but what we really notice is how much the capital T in cursive looks like a capital F in cursive. The first part of a capital T in cursive is exactly the same as the first part of a capital F in cursive. It starts just below the headline with a curve and a backwards undercurve that ends in that kind of connector, that smile. So we begin below the headline, make our rocking chair and smile, and then the second step when we pick up our pencil is we do the little check from the top with a curve and a curve. And it's finished. So there's our rocking chair and smile. There's the little check and down, up, down, up. A very gentle wave. We don't want to crunch that wave together. We want it to be spread out and soft, like that. And we have our capital T. If we crossed them, they would be capital Fs. As you prepare to complete your capital T page in cursive, please make sure your desk area is cleared. Make sure your paper has a proper slant. Make sure you're sitting up straight and that you've written your name neatly at the top of the page. Our motto of our capital F shows its two parts. The line that curves in a backwards undercurve and a connector that doesn't ever connect anything, and then the top with the check and the gentle wave. We have our training wheel letters to help train our hand on the proper formation. We practice it in the right order from top down, and then add the hat on top with its gentle waves. And by gentle, I mean don't try to make them too close together. Don't try to make them too quickly. Let them take their time and flow like a wave. Up, down, up. When you've practiced it with the training wheels and have trained your hand in the formation, go ahead and try it on your own. Remember to start just below the line. Remember to put the second part about halfway back. And there it is. A capital T is not a connecting letter. I've moved the lowercase t's over a little bit so they wouldn't interfere with the top. However, if you were writing it, you could write it much closer. We can see the difference between a capital T and a lowercase t. After you've practiced them, we have the words, the names Tomas, Talia, Tamarix, Tanika, Timmy, and Tanya. If your name starts with T, go ahead and cross out one of those and put your name in instead. Trace them and write them. Our next lesson will be a review of our small undercurve letters and our two-part letters of T and F.